Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 27th, 2023. And in this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Sugu. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. The first one I will solve is a Sudoku with a 1 star. This one has 27 printed digits, and this one will be number 66601. Yes. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The printed digits, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Here we have 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then. How about 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then let me see. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. How about let me see. Come on. We have it. Yeah, now. 9. Come on. 1, need a 1 here. And I need A 1 there, need a 1 here. Okay, here we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 1, here we have a 1. That means in this column we need a 1 in the middle column. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, no 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in that box. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the middle column should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright, so we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, here 4 in the column not next, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright, now. Let me see. How about the 8, the 6? I need a 6 there. How about the 7 then? 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, with 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left in this big square. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those, 1 and the 5. So 1 digit left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 is missing. Alright, 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then how about 1 and the 5, 1, 5, and need a 9 here. No, need a 8 here, and I need a 6 here. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Come on. 1, need a 3, and a 9 here. 1, 3, 9, 6, 5. I'm thinking. 4, 5, 9, and 8, 5, 9, 8, 5, 9, 5, 9, and 8, 5, 9, and 8. Come on. 8. Need an 8 here, 8. Come on, 1, 2, 3 here, 3. 2, 4. Well. 1, 7. 1, 9. 9. With a 7. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 7, 6, and 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between overlooked. So the row between the only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Overlooked. Alright, so 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. You see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 5. 1, need a 3. Well, we have 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Need an 8 and a 9. 9, 9, 9. 8, 8, 8. But 6 and a 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Need a 5 here. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. So the 8 and the 9 are missing here. 8 and a 9. Alright. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 5, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this third column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes here. 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 supposed to be there. Alright. Then 3 and 7. We have a 5 there. Okay, and now 8. 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2 numbers left in the first column. For numbers 5 is missing. 1 and a 2. No. We have a 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. Wow. Need a 9 here. 5, 9, and 8. 8 could be here, could be there. Interesting. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. How about the 7? 7. How about 5? 2, 1, 6. Come on. Need a 7 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 6, 4. 9, 5, and 8. 8 should be here. 8 should be there. Yeah. 1 number left in this big square should be the number 8. In this big square, we have 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, there are only 3 places left for the 8 to be here or there. We see an 8 in this one, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 8 and a 9. Come on, come on. Need a 6 here, yeah. We have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. That means in the last column we need a 6. Here can be 6 because we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here can be 6 because we have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. So the 6 in the last column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 8 and the 9. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes and there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes here. Alright. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Need a 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 3, 9, and 7. 7, 7. Interesting. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 8. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 in the 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 5 in the 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 supposed to be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, so yeah, should be a 2 stars. 2 stars. Yeah, should be a 2 stars. Having troubles, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it by myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.